There are several ways to make money online for free. While it's important to note that making money online typically requires effort, time, and sometimes specific skills, here are some methods you can explore. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistance, or social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can connect you with potential clients. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys or complete small tasks on websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker. These platforms pay you for your time and effort. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Consistently produce high-quality content to attract an audience and generate income. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, offer online tutoring services through platforms like tutor.com, Chegg, or VIPKid. You can teach subjects like math, languages, or music. Dropshipping. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify and sell products without having to handle inventory. You work with suppliers who ship the products directly to your customers. Online marketplaces. Utilize online marketplaces like Etsy for handmade craft and vintage items, or eBay for various products, to sell items you no longer need or create unique products to sell. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services through affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media. You earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Online courses and ebooks. Share your knowledge by creating and selling online courses or ebooks on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Remember that success in making money online often requires patience, consistency, and continuous improvement. It's essential to research and find the methods that align with your skills, interests, and available time.